Welcome to Cozyarn. Today in our first lesson we're going to talk about the slip knot and the chain, how we're going to do them. First, grab any yarn you have and let's see what number of hook does it need. You can see it says a 3.5, so I got my 3.5 crochet hook. Let's start now with the slip knot. Things we should know about the slip knot, as mentioned in the video, is that it's very important and it should be tight. In order to make it, we grab the first we grab the yarn, then we try to make our own slip knot. This is the easy way that I find. First I make a circle around my index, then I enter the yarn from the circle in order to make this slip knot. For me, this is the very easy way. There are many different ways you can watch in other videos, so let's repeat it. First, I'm going to tie it around my finger, then grab the other yarn inside the circle that I made it, and then pull it out to insert my hook. I will start with the first chain. So how do we start with the first chain? I hold. It's very important to hold the yarn in a correct way, and also the crochet hook. So I grab the yarn and insert it in the circle. Just check how I grab it. I turn it and insert it. I turn it and insert it in order to have chains 4. So as I count 3, 4, I have now 4 chains. Let's complete 5, 6, 7, 8. I should stay holding the chains, and as I raise up, I should hold the near chain to where I am. So now I have here 10 chains. As you can see, they are making a V shape. Okay, so let's repeat it in order to be sure that you guys got the idea. First, we're going to remake it. If it is very clear, then your slip knot is correct. But if it leaves a knot, then it is wrong. First, as we said, we loop the yarn around our finger and grab the yarn inside the circle we made. Then we make chains. So homework for the next lesson, please do 30 chains to continue our project and to get a better result.